Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. I have been wanting a cabinet in my bathroom for a while so that I can get my stuff off the counter because it's things I always need to use, so I like them to be handy. So thankfully, I have found this mirrored medicine cabinet by TokeShimi. It is exactly what I was looking for this space. I love the size of it. It's not too big, not too small. It was so simple to put together. It took no time at all. And it also even came with gloves. And I really like that it's metal, not wood, because it makes it a lot lighter, which I really appreciated. It made it a lot easier to put up. It came packaged very well. Nothing was out of place at all, and it was very secure. This has the option to recess it into the wall or just to mount it on the wall. We mounted it on the wall just for a quicker installation, but I love that there is both options. If you're looking for the perfect medicine cabinet for your bathroom, I highly recommend this one. I love how clear the glass is, how easy it was to put together, and how nice it looks in my bathroom. It holds so much and the shelves are so easy to adjust. It's like my favorite part of our bathroom now. I love it and I think you're gonna love it too. And that's my point of view.